Howdy, guys! As always, let's dive deep into money-making machines. Ever walked into a cafe or office and been blown away by a massive detailed mural? What if I told you that wasn't hand-painted but printed? This wall printing machine turns any flat surface into a canvas, and it does it with pixel-perfect precision. It costs around $4,000 and fits into a van, making it ideal for mobile services. You just upload your design, line up the printer, and let it do the magic, printing high-res artwork directly onto walls, glass, wood, even tiles. Setup takes minutes, and a single person can operate it. You don't need to be an artist, you just need to know how to market creative possibilities. Start by targeting local cafes, showrooms, gyms, schools, and interior decorators. Offer custom murals, logos, quotes, anything that makes a space unique. And because this service is rare in many cities, you can charge a premium. Depending on your pricing and how many projects you land, you could make back your investment in as little as 3 to 5 months. With social media-worthy results and zero painting skills required, this machine is a game changer for anyone who wants to sell creativity on demand. You bring the walls, this machine brings the wow. You've seen those stylish modern flower pots that look like sculptures, twisted shapes, geometric cuts, or faces with plants growing out the top. They're not made by hand, they're 3D printed. And with this flower pot 3D printer, you can create your own designer collection right from your garage or studio. It costs around $4,500 and is built to print large, intricate designs using PLA or recycled plastic. The setup is simple. Load your filament, upload the design file, and hit print. In a few hours, you've got a unique planter ready to sell. No molds, no mess, no factory needed. Start selling on Etsy, Instagram, or local garden stores. Offer custom designs for interior designers, cafes, or event planners. With unique styles and eco-friendly materials, you can charge far more than a standard pot, especially when you personalize them. Production costs are low, and profit margins can hit 200% or more per piece. With consistent orders, you could earn back your investment in just 4 to 6 months. In a world where everyone's growing plants, make sure they're growing them in something unforgettable. You print the pot, this machine grows your brand. Imagine a vending machine, not for snacks or soda, but for ice. Just pull up, tap a card, and get a bag of clean, fresh ice, 24/7. This self-service smart ice vending machine does exactly that, and it could be your ticket to passive income. It costs around $8,600 and comes fully equipped to produce, store, and dispense ice cubes on demand. No staff, no store, no headaches. Set it up at gas stations, near beaches, campgrounds, apartment complexes, or event venues. Anywhere people need ice but don't want to wait in line or deal with store hours. It runs autonomously, accepts digital payments, and notifies you when inventory runs low or if there's a technical issue. You'll need a water line, electricity, and a decent location with foot or vehicle traffic. Each sale brings in a small profit, but with hundreds of bags sold monthly, those small numbers add up fast. Many owners report breaking even in under 8 months, and from there, it's just maintenance and margin. It's simple. People will always need ice, especially in warmer months. And this machine lets you sell it around the clock without ever scooping a cube yourself. You set the location, it does the chilling, and the money keeps flowing, cold and steady. Pet owners are spending more on their furry friends than ever before, and treats are one of the fastest growing segments in the industry. This pet dog twist bone food making machine lets you tap straight into that demand by producing those chewy, twisted dog snacks you see everywhere in pet stores. It costs around $20,000 and is designed to mix, extrude, twist, and cut nutritious, long-lasting dog treats in bulk. You don't need a giant factory to get started. A clean, medium-sized production space and access to basic ingredients like starch, meat powder, and natural flavors is enough to begin. You can create branded products with specific ingredients, grain-free, protein-rich, or dental health-focused. These features help you stand out in a saturated market. Start selling through pet stores, online platforms like Amazon and Etsy, or even directly to dog grooming salons and vet clinics. The machine can produce thousands of treats per day, and because of the niche, you can price them well above cost. Margins can go as high as 50 to 70%, and with smart distribution and branding, most owners make their investment back in 6 to 9 months. In a world where pets are family, treats aren't just snacks, they're essentials. You provide the recipes. This machine handles the twist. And together you build a business pets and their humans will love. At Money Making Machines, we don't just talk. We show you real machines that print profits. Ready for the next one? Click the video on your screen and discover your next business idea.